everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty unboxing to share with you, and this is from Lookfantastic and Nip+Fab. This is the box it comes in, so I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, and then I'll go into showing you what's inside. Inside you'll find 6 essential products from this cult British brand, filled with their best-selling products. It retails for £25 and has a value of £75, saving you £50. This box is of particular interest if you are a Nip+Fab fan and you purchase these products anyway, or if you're wondering what Nip+Fab are like, but this might be a chance for you to try them. All links and everything related to this box I will link down below, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it, but all thoughts and opinions remain my own as always. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. I don't want them to all drop out. There's no card inside telling you all about the products, but if you want to know a little bit more, then you'll find all these products listed on the Lookfantastic website, plus underneath this box as well you will see added, like an added description about the contents of this box. First up then, we've got a Glycolic Scrub Fix Extreme 6% Super Strength Resurfacing Facial Polish, and there's 75 mils here. Now this retails for £14.95. So I'll read information on the back. It's very small writing though. It is very small writing, okay. Our Glycolic Scrub taken to the extreme. 6% Glycolic Acid to renew and energise the skin. Aloe vera to calm and soothe. Gently massage onto damp skin, avoiding the eye contour area. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 1 to 2 times per week. If you're new to Glycolic Acid, then it's important that you wear SPF within your skincare regime as well. You just become more sun sensitive. But yeah, so there's a facial scrub there. Next we've got one of 2 sheet masks, and this is a vitamin C sheet mask. You put it on your face and leave for 15 minutes, and it contains vitamin C and coconut water, brighten and refreshes, reinvigorating and purifying. And there's one mask in there. Now I've tried this before and I do really like it. Anything vitamin C and I'm all for it. It just is a radiance boosting face mask for visibly brighter glowing skin. And the recommended retail price for this is £7.50. The next sheet mask is Nip+Fab Renew, and this is a Retinol Fix sheet mask. It contains retinol and coconut water. It unclogs and tightens. It's moisturising and hydrating. And it says here, refresh, renew and revitalise the complexion with retinoid and coconut water. And the recommended retail price for this mask is £7.95. I haven't tried this one before. Next we've got some cleansing pads, and these are the Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. There's 60 pads in here, and it contains Glycolic Acid, which retexturises and resurfaces, Hyaluronic Acid, which moisturises and refreshes, Blue Daisy, which soothes and calms, 100% vegan and cruelty-free, as are all their products. But the recommended retail price for this tub of pads is £14.95, and I have purchased this many times. I use cleansing pads that contain glycolic acid after I've cleansed my face. So I cleanse my face first with just a normal like cream or gel cleanser, and then I use these pads, and then I go on to doing my skincare. They are really good pads. So there's that. Now on to some makeup. We've got a liquid blush here. I haven't tried this before. I think it's only a skincare I've tried from Nip+Fab before, but this is Sunset Glow, and we've got 15 mils here. I will swatch that now on my hand, but the recommended retail price to buy this individually would be £12.95. Oh, it's a really pretty colour. Now I always put way too much on my hand, and then I end up covering the whole area. And I've just got a little blob there. There. Again, too much. Too much. This amount would last you years. The colour is really pretty, but I can just imagine now with more of a deeper glow, like just applying that just to the high points of my face. I think that would be really pretty. Now I don't normally opt for liquids unless it's summer. In the summertime I like my makeup to be more sheer but really glowy. So yeah, no, that's completely covered my hand now. Never mind. So you got a liquid blush. Oh, apologies. These are £16.95, not £14.95. Just had a look on my phone. And lastly, we've got a highlighting palette, and the recommended retail price for this is £15. Let's just open it up and show you. So those are the colours there. It's a really nice mix there. Let's swatch them all. Now I'm really pale on my arms, so you might not be able to see much until we get to the darker shades. So there's 6 in all, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you might not be able to see them all there properly. But yeah, they look really nice. They look really nice. For me personally, I would go for that one, the middle one there, as a very subtle sort of highlight. But if I wanted a little bit of a colour with highlighter in it, just again on the high points of my cheeks there, then that'd be quite pretty. So yeah, so we've got a highlighting palette. So those are all the products inside this box. I'll just gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. So we've got a Glycolic Fix Exfoliating Scrub. We've got Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. We've got a Vitamin C Fix Sheet Mask for your face. We've got a Retinol Fix Sheet Mask for your face. We've got a Liquid Blush in Sunset Glow. And lastly, we've got a highlighting palette. Now all these products are full size. The value of the box comes in at £75, and this box is on sale on the Lookfantastic website for £25. I think it's a really nice box if you're after a sort of starter type box, if you want to test what their products are like then, without forking out the full price for the products. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you like Nip+Fab? Or are you watching this thinking whether this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. Even if you think, nah, do you know what? No, not for me. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.